Alright, so this has got me nervous. But here is the leaking hydraulic arm for the convertible top latches. Right here. Okay, these like stick up or whatever. Okay, these slide in and out. These little slots right here. This is leaking. So, we got to get it out. Unfortunately, Ferrari, sorry for me blaspheming here, but in its infinite wisdom, it did not put a coupler. Now, all the other hydraulic lines are detachable from here. However, this one is not. So, Cabriolet Hydraulics has advised me to measure 4.5 inches from here all the way down here and just cut it. So, needless to say, I'm nervous. There is no part for this car that is cheap. Not a single thing. Wish me luck. Here goes. Well, hello again. Just got our package back from Cabriolet Hydraulics. We're going to go ahead and open the package, start checking everything out, make sure everything's there. I'm sure it will be. They're great people. And I'll pre-assemble, start putting this back together, and then we'll test. Make sure everything's working right. Maybe move on to the next problem. You never know.
Now, here we go!